Today is a very sad day because we have to say goodbye to Tim's Ducati. It is finally going to its actual owner's home with his new garage space, and it is going to leave mine, which makes me feel very sad, but also a little bit happy because it means I will have a little bit more room in this garage to move things around a bit. So that's good. And it won't be the end of me contributing to work on this, because I will be going to help Tim with his modifications and customizations in his new workspace. So here is Tim's van. Right there, Timmy. What did you forget?
Look, nothing vital, just the bike key.
And your steering wheel is locked?
Steering might be locked.
Ah, luckily for me,
yeah,
I have a nice little spare one.
Yeah.
Alright, time to say goodbye.
Okay, time to free up some room in Glenn's shed, put the workshop project into full swing and set up a new workshop.
So, at this point, you might notice I don't have any footage for the trip. Because like an idiot, I left the card out of my GoPro. So, this is what you've got.